Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have October's Zenpop box, or stationery box unboxing video for you guys. I feel like it's always a tongue twister every time I start these videos because I'm never quite, it's an unboxing video, so I feel like there's too many boxes in the terms, but that's okay. Here is the QR code if you want to follow along from home. Okay, because it's October, it's going to be a Halloween theme box, which I'm very excited for. I'm a little sad because I feel this is the second year in a row that I can't help my niece with any trick-or-treating. And the older she gets, the less she's probably going to want to trick-or-treat. So I feel like I'm missing out on those years. But we're still in lockdown to some degree, so it's understandable. Alright, so these are all... How cute is that? Pens, just like the writing... Alright, I'll put those aside to test later. Alright, so this is a washi tape cutter, but it's got a more autumnal theme to it. You guys, if you've seen any of these unboxing videos, you would have seen plenty of these. But they're usually very plain, so I kind of like that this one has a bit of a theme to it. It's just, I don't know, it's more interesting, I guess. You can see I've got a couple of these sitting around. They're all the same brand, Kokuyo, but you put the washi tape through here and then you can see that there's jagged edges just right there, and it allows you to just tear it off. Actually, I'll use this washi tape just to show you guys. So Halloween theme washi tape. Since we can't really do any Halloween stuff like trick-or-treating or having parties or anything, I'm really looking forward to decorating my planners as much as possible. I can't even really decorate my house because I can't go and buy any supplies. I'm still missing a lot of furniture. So, yep, just put it through here. And then you'd pull, I put it the wrong way around actually, I do this. And then yeah, you just pull it up and that's how you dispense washi tape. So I actually find these really, really useful. But if I'm looking for like a clean edge, because this gives you a jagged edge, then not as useful. Alright, so then we have, ooh, memo paper. This is great because this is how much left I have of one of the old memo papers that I got from Zenpop. So I'm almost out, and so I'm really glad this one's arrived so I can replenish my stock. It's all monster theme. It's actually, it's a similar brand, isn't it? It looks like a very similar brand. It probably is, to be honest. So it's like a monster theme, and you've got 4 different designs. And this one, I mean, I love all the designs, but I always prefer the one where there's more writing space because I do use these for very quick note taking. So I'll usually write on the front, I'll rip it out, and then I'll write on the back paper as well. So I can try and stretch my use of these memo pads. But I find them like, I never thought I would find these very useful, but they're just perfect for sitting in your desk and when you just need to take a quick note. For some reason, I can never find my planners or paper or anything when I need to quickly take a note if I'm on a meeting or a phone call or something. So these are perfect. And I like that they're not sticky because sticky notes just tend to stick to everything and then I lose them. Whereas these, they're not sticky at the back, so they're very useful for that. Oh, we've gotten these before, but I think they were like fluoro colors. Essentially, it's kind of like Lego blocks, and you can see the picture here. You can set them up to be whatever way you want, and then they can hold out little notes. And then we have some sticker flakes of, they're like ghosts, but in the shape of animals. This is my favorite. I literally want to draw a sticker design similar to this. So it's like a little cat in a ghost outfit. I think it's just so cute. Let's open this up. Hopefully it's not too blown out and you can see all the different sticker designs. But it is made out of paper, it's flat, so it's easy to use. And I love that it's pastel colors because traditionally Halloween is always like, tends to be dark colors. So I always appreciate when I see sticker kits or stickers that are a bit more pastel. And then we have Postcard, Happy Halloween Postcard. And it's just a bunch of cats all dressed up in different monsters for going trick-or-treating, I assume, but that's kind of cute. Kit Kats. I love that. And then I think this last one is a letter set. I haven't actually been really looking at the item list. I should have probably been looking at that. I never look at it properly. But yeah, it's a, I think this is letters. Let's just double check to be sure. So this is the paper. Yeah. It's hard to describe. It's almost like washi paper a little bit. So it's like an owl and a blank side, and then these are your envelopes. if you want to send any festive messaging, I guess. And this is not a bad idea now that I think about it, because in the past, so for Halloween, the reason I really love it is because Violet and Jimmy would host the most amazing Halloween parties. And so we'd go, we'd eat so much. I don't know how James managed to cook so much food. And we'd watch scary movies. And then on Halloween itself, I would go take my niece trick-or-treating, or I would at least do her makeup and costumes. And I wasn't able to do it for 2 years in a row, and this will be the third because the year before COVID, I was in New Zealand, and then last year was COVID, and this year's COVID. So yeah, it's been unfortunate, but let's go try out these pens. So this one is actually a pencil, and you guys know I don't really sharpen pencils just to try out because we all know what pencils are looking like. Oh, you can take it off, which is actually way better because I can use this as a separate eraser, and this is a pencil on its own. This one, I already know I'm going to enjoy the ergonomics behind it. It is the Zebra Sarasa pen, and they're like super popular. There's so many different colors and shades. This comes from the range where it's like, you know how they've got so many different color inks all mixed in here, and so whatever you write, kind of, you just don't know what color you're gonna get. So if I write, oh, it's struggling a little, the ink. Oh, actually, I'm not sure. Okay, for some reason it's skipping a little bit here, but you can start to see. I just... Is that obvious? Hopefully. You guys can see how it's like changing color as it goes. It's a fun pen. Probably not something you want to journal with, or maybe, it's up to you. But yeah, it's a really fun pen. So that is everything in the October Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.